What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to set up the Bybit wallet. For example, if you have to do it, all you have to do is to go to the Play Store first and install the Bybit application. So go to the Play Store, go to the Bybit application, and once you are in the Bybit application, so just install it. And as you guys can see that I have already installed it, so I'm gonna open it up. Wait for a few seconds till the application totally boots up. So here you guys can see that my application has totally booted up. Here you will see an option on the top right corner which says Web3. So once you see this option, all you have to do is to tap on it. So wait till the application boots up again. So once it's done, you will see the wallet right over here. So here you can create a wallet, or as I have already created a wallet, let me go and create another one for you guys. So all you have to do is to add in another address, and once you do it, your wallet will be created like that. So here you can see that I have created another wallet right over here, and I can use it for the sort of transaction and withdrawal. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.